that's what you call a failed attempt. Welcome back to JP Builds. Today we'll be diving into Volkswagen's most common issues. By the end of this video, you know exactly why these timing chains fail. This customer complained about a rattling noise on cold starts. Even though the car still drives well, that noise is the engine trying to warn you. Now this is the special tool we use for this job. This one and this one. So, the absolute worst part of this job is to work in this area here. This is the water pump supercharger clutch pulley. There's the supercharger back there. This supercharger's got a cover. Let me show you. This cover here, it's got that cover. You can't take it off completely. You gotta just push it backwards. And in this pipe, you can't take this out either. So you gotta work in here with all of this stuff in the way. To get that belt off, it's not an easy task. It's pretty hard. And this cover, normally this cover in itself, to get that off as well, or just unhook, is a pretty massive job. But we'll persevere. All right, success. Got the belt off. I managed to push this cover to the side, and I managed to remove this pipe. A bit of a struggle, but got it out. Got the belt off. You can see here in my breath how out of breath I am. It's not an easy task. Anyway, let's get on. Now I'm going to loosen up this water pump. With a bit of luck, I should catch some of it down there. No. That's a fail. That's an absolute fail. What do we have? And there we have it. The oil chain is out. Now, up until recently I learned that a timing chain doesn't stretch. It wears. How it wears is these holes. Get it closer. Yeah. These holes, all these tiny holes, becomes oval. Once they become oval, and you multiply it by all of these around the chain, that play causes it to stretch a bit, or appear to be stretched, but it's actually just slightly worn and oval. A pro tip: when you do a job like this and you remove this cam adjuster variator pulley, this tube, very important. Make sure that doesn't lose and always stays in there. Okay, now let's get the chain on. Timing chain cover time. This cover has also been taking a trip through the parts washer, so it's ready to go. One timing chain, 1 day's work, and 1 engine saved. If your 1.4 twin charge sounds anything like this one did, don't ignore it. This could save you thousands.